So we're just completing an installation of an AcuSpiner, and once the machine is fully set up and we turn the lights on and get things going, we run a test session. So this is what we call the decompression motor, which rises in the tower to create the angle that we want. But we just, for the purposes of the calibration, we just connect it to the foot plate, and then you can see here what's happening. We have the with IDD we have a high tension, and then we have time. So this is just for the purposes of the calibration and settings. I've just got a modest high tension of 60 pounds, which is just under 30 kilos. So we have the target tension that is set, and we have these cycles of 1 minute with a high distraction and then an oscillation, which is like a longitudinal mobilization. So so we're just making sure that this is okay, and we want this line to be tracking. The colors are slightly different, so we're in a calibration mode. So we have the target tension, and then we have the actual tension, and then we can see here as it oscillates, you'll see the tension coming on and off. The oscillation, I think, is 10 pounds. So we just have, can I see that? We just have this thing here, so we can see from 60 pounds it's going down by 10 pounds, and then it's coming back on again. So this is something which is unique with IDD. It's a patented component of the treatment. So we have this, we're distracting, so we're taking people up, we're opening the disc space, working or stretching, if you like, the soft tissues, and then at the point of maximum distraction, we have this oscillation component, which is rather than it being like an anterior posterior mobilization, is a longitudinal. So obviously if you look around, you'll find plenty of pictures and videos of people lying on the machine, but they're connected with a system of harnesses. So this is just completely different from traction, okay? So we're just going to let that. Here we have the low tension. So just a comment on that, we're taking this down. So we're using a fairly modest high tension. This can go up to 200 pounds, so for larger patients. But what we have is we have this high tension, the hold with the oscillation, and then coming off, and then we have this low hold. So that's like a relaxing stage for 30 seconds. But the key thing to bear in mind is that we're maintaining some tension. So that time under tension, we're maintaining some tension on the soft tissues. So that's a key thing. So here this session is only 15 minutes for the purposes of the, just checking it. But 24 to 26 minutes on this machine is a substantial time. We're not just putting someone on for 5 minutes. And people who've used cervical traction, they do 30 seconds on or 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off for 5 minutes. Here this is so much more powerful, really. Targeted, controlled, completely. We see here to the pound. Okay, so in terms of a duplicable, measurable treatment, you don't get any better. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you that. Cheers, bye.